Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some very important security onion, which is a Linux distribution commands, and how can we use and what they describe. But first of all, what is security onion? Security onion is a Linux distribution, and it contains wide variety of security tools in it. So security, first of all, it is free and open source distribution, and it is famously used for intrusion detection, security monitoring, and also for the log management. And it also include a couple of very important tools in it, such as CyberChef for the hashing and other kind of and then a couple of more in it. So let's go over these commands first. And the very first one is a status. So sudo so status command, and it gives you the status of the system, where it failed, and what the services stack, like Elasticsearch is okay, then Longstash is okay, Kibana, and a couple of more in it. But there are a couple of others which are failed. You can see those statistic on the display. Then we have command that restart, start, and stop all the services on this. So the syntax for that command is sudo and so, either start, restart, or stop. So let me run the stop one, and it will stop all the services. Probably takes a little time. And now it will show what services are being stopped at this point. And so also we can restart those services, and we can run this command restart. So you can see now restart on all services is completed. Then there is another command which is specifically runs on the services. So the syntax of that command is sudo so So basically, this is for specific services, and you can give the name of the service after SO, and then start, restart, or stop, which is similar to the systemctl command on Ubuntu or other Linux distribution. Then similarly, we can add user in on this system, and the command is user add. And then if we run this command, we can add a user. It asks what the name of the user and other stuff. We can change the password of the user as well, and the command is passwd. So this command will change the password of the user. Then we can also see what is allow and how can we allow the ports on this system with this command. First of all, let's see what is allow statistic on the system. So here you can see the port 22 is open or allowed under the rules, and then if you like to add couple of more rules, then you can run so allow, and this is the command, and then you can set up those the rules in it, whatever the ports need to be allowed. Then the famous name like sudo update and upgrade in other distribution, where the system goes into the libraries, update all the libraries, and upgrade um, mean like they delete the old files and old libraries and clean up everything. So this command probably takes um, good amount of probably half an hour, and kind of like it update all the libraries and the system altogether. And then the next command I like to show is rule update, and it update all the rules, and now it is running those dependencies to update the rules. So it is done. Then we can generate the statistic with the sudo so stat command, and it creates the whole list of statistic on the system. So it shows like what services are running and how. I like to show you another thing about configuration files. So what are those, where those files are located, and uh, how can we mm, reconfigure if we need it. So let's go to the rule management first of all. All the ID rules, download, customs are located under cd etc nsm rules. So this is the directory which has all kind of rules, and either those are custom rules or downloads rules. And then there is a threshold configuration also under the same directory. Then there are disabled rule and modified rules, and those are under pulled pork. And here you can see those disable rule and modify rule, as well as configuration file for the rule. Then there are other like one sec directory which has WAZUH rules, but most likely there is no permission to go to that, but I can try var os sec. Yeah, permission denied. This is kind of like protected. Nobody can touch this one. But then there's important configuration files for the system, and like general setting is under etc and sm, and here the main configuration file is a security onion.conf. So let's check what is inside securityonion.conf, and it has all the configuration and how those services are set up, and how you can reconfigure if you want to change. Then there is a maintenance script, the scripts where those scripts are saved. Uh, Then there's this, let me go first on the sensor setting and where that is. Actually, sensor setting is under, it should be here under host name interface, which is, and then the sensor.conf is that file under, that should be under sysadmin or anyway, the next one is the configuration file for snort, and that is also under NSM. So it is under that host name interface. And then the log files, the most important one are where the log files are saved on this system. The log files, all the services have a different directory for the log file. For example, there is the one service called bro, B-R-O, and those log files are saved under NSM bro, and from here it is under logs, and it is under that directory current, and here the log files are saved. So similarly, like last alert, the log files are under cd var log, so this is the directory where a last alert log files are saved, and the log file name is the exact file name is a last alert underscore std error.log. That is a log file for this service. Then elastic search, where that log file is saved. Um, that is saved under the same directory, and uh, so and then log stash, where that one is, the files are saved. Those are var log stash. That is a directory, and here that log stash.log is the log file here. This one. And for Kibana, so the Kibana log file is saved under var under log Kibana, and this directory has the Kibana log files which are saved here. And then 1sex file. This is protected directory, but I can give you the path to that. Permission denied. It is it cannot be accessed. Then sguild is another service, and the log files are saved under var log nsm security onion, and the log file is under this one. These are sguild log files. So then the data directory where those data directories are located. So I'll show you one by one. Packet capture are saved under NSM sensor underscore data, and these are the two directories where those files are saved. But let's go, one of them is let's go this one first, and let's see. So these are the packet captured, the directory where the packets are saved into uh, daily logs, port scan. Let's go to the port scan and see what is there. And this directory has no file in it. Uh, daily logs. This one is also empty. So let's go to the couple of more um, data directories, and so bro files are uh, the data is under cd nsm/bro, and that one is saved under logs. So this service capture all the data files here. Then actually you need to go to the current directory and it is there. Then extracted files for the same service are under extracted directory, and that is browse and cd extracted. So these are the bro extracted files for sensor and saved here. Elasticsearch has a different directory as well, and it is /nsm elasticsearch nodes/x, nsm elasticsearch nodes, and that is a directory where those files are data files are saved. Let me open. So guys, this is all I have on this very basic introductory video on Security Onion, and I like to show you those commands written in a syntax. So these are the commands I used in the demo. So there's a status command, then we can start all services with this command. Then any specific service can be started with this command by giving name of that service. Then we have Elastic. That's about the Dockers. We don't need that. The next one is like, how can we add user in that and change the password? And then firewall rules can be allowed. We can see all those written rules with the view command, and then we can use the firewall rules such as what port is open, closed. We can use this command. System update can be done with this command. It will update and upgrade the system. Then the rule will be updated after the rules are set up. That can be updated with the rule -update command. Then statistics can be seen with the SOStat. And then important part of this distribution is the configuration file area, where all the configuration files, all these configuration files on the tool and the system itself are defined here. and you can see where these the files, if you need to make any changes according to your requirement, you can go to this .conf file and make those changes. Then the third and the last part about the log files, where we can find the log file, and these are the tools, services, and these are the path for those log files. So for example, we have sgil service, and we are looking for the log file, and that log file would be under this directory. And so we can get the log file to perform further analysis. So this is all I have on this topic, and I will bring the new video on these services, how to use these services and analyze the alert um, in coming days. If you have any question or comments, please go to the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to receive notification on the new videos. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.